we can just take Aquatab, pop it into the housing there. If you find, like in this case, that there isn't really a sliminess, a single Aquatab will do. If you find there's a bit of a sliminess, would recommend an Aquatab in each of the first 3 housings, and then actually in the membrane housing as well. A very important step is remove the actual filtration membrane, because they're very, very sensitive to chlorine. That means the Aquatabs would actually severely shorten the life and damage the membrane. Take another one of our Aquatabs, stick it in the housing, and then we can put the cap back on. Then the next step is want to turn our water back on and actually fill the whole system with water again. Then once it's filled, we want to give it some time just to fill the tanks as well. We want to give it about half an hour to actually stand with chlorine through. Okay, and there we're starting to get water out. Just want to let it run a little bit so we're getting a proper flow of water there. And then I'm just going to close the tap there. And now we leave it for about 30 minutes to fill the tank. Then we can drain the water out of the housings and actually put our new filters in place.